What is going on, guys, and welcome to this quick review of the protective case from ESR for the new iPad Pro 11-inch model. So this is how the package looks like. Yeah, it's really not much to it, so we can peel off the stripe here. I already unboxed it before just to see it. Let's put that aside. It's in little plastic packing here. This is the case itself, so it has some protection in there, and yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it's not the same material than the original Apple Smart Folio. This here is a hard plastic, so yeah, let's put the iPad inside. So you always want to start with the camera here. So you can see it has only openings here, here, and for the cameras, and of course for the speakers. So I put it in like this, that it's on the edge here, and then you just clip it in and you can clearly hear it. It really clicks in, so it sits really good in there. And yeah, there's nothing, like, it's no problem. It's still, when you have it like this, you can also have it like this. I hope you can see this good on camera now. Yeah, it's basically, it's also possible to use the iPad like this. Once it turns, you can use it like this, no problem there. Yeah, it basically gives a good protection. Doesn't look that bad. If you want a cheap case, then go for it. There is one problem though with the case. Let's open it up real quick. So you can see this here is not pretty big. So the thing is, the pencil holds on it, but you see it's not doing anything, it's not charging. That's a little problem of the case. I have a fix for that, and you know, there are like really thin wall magnets. So I just cut out two pieces of really thin wall magnets here. You can see that. And when you take those and put it in between that gap, you see the Apple Pencil is charging. So this could be a fix for those people who don't want a more expensive case. But if you're fine with that, or if you don't use the Apple Pencil and you just get the iPad itself, then I mean, it's not the same than the original Apple Smart Folio, but it has protection all around, so I would say why not go for that. So this is the ESR protective case. You can get this on Amazon for really cheap. I think it's around $13 or 13 euros, wherever you are. And yeah, it gives you an all-around protection. I'll leave the links in the description. Alright guys, I hope this video could help you, and maybe it could also fix a charging problem on a third-party case like this with the Apple Pencil. If so, leave a like, hit that subscribe and bell button to get notified about more upcoming videos like this on my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.